I'm on my 2023 Honda Grom, fully stocked. I'm 5'8", 230 pounds, and I want to see how fast I could get this thing going before I change the clutch springs and the exhaust. I might even flash it. I'm up to 60, so, but I got a truck in front of me. We'll run it back. I'm not sure if they're limited to 60 miles per hour, but we'll find out. I was in 4th. I never made it out of 4th, so. Oh, we're at 60. Eventually we got here. Will 5th give us anything else? Yeah, it's pretty much done. I've seen it past 60, but going downhill, so as far as power, that's what I'm getting out of this thing. Cool little machine though, man. I'll tell anybody, if you can get one, go for it. These things are so much fun. I'll probably do the 60% springs, and I do have an exhaust. I ordered a Grand National by S&S. I didn't go super expensive, but I didn't go super cheap. And then I just might have it flash. But there's a chance you're gonna get some rain and you're gonna be parked underneath something waiting for a little bit for it to pass. So here I am. Haven't been able to ride on the weekends for nothing. It's either too hot or raining. This summer has definitely been way different than last summer. I was spoiled last year. I felt like I got a lot of riding in because I felt like the weather was a little bit better. But here I am. It'll stop raining at some point and I'll hit the road, but gotta love Florida though. October will be here soon though. I'll definitely get some riding in.